Right now, as you watch this, you can buy this on Amazon with Prime delivery. This thing looks like a Tamagotchi toy, and it has been flagged by border control in multiple countries. Customs agents in Brazil seized an entire incoming shipment of them, and yet Amazon still has it sitting in its catalog with free 2-day shipping. 28 of these things exist on that same platform right now, and the one at the end of this list will make you want to lock your front door and never plug in a USB device again. Number 1. Flipper. 0. It has a cartoon dolphin on the screen. It fits in your pocket, and it is one of the most controversial pieces of consumer tech ever made. This device reads and clones RFID access cards. It copies NFC chips. It hijacks infrared signals from TVs, air conditioners, and anything else with a remote. Security researchers use it to test building access systems and expose vulnerabilities before real attackers find them. It is a legitimate penetration testing tool in the right hands. But those hands are not always the ones buying it. The reviews will shock you, and we are just warming up. Number 2. USB Rubber Ducky. This looks like a regular thumb drive. Plug it into any computer, and before your brain registers what is happening, it has already executed a keystroke injection script. The computer sees it as a trusted keyboard, not a storage device. That distinction matters because your antivirus is not watching keystrokes. It executes commands, opens browsers, pulls login credentials, and exits in under 60 seconds. HackRF built it for penetration testers and IT security teams to expose how catastrophically unaware employees are. Corporate red teams have used it to shock entire companies into better security habits. Number 3. HackRF One. The HackRF One is a software-defined radio. It transmits and receives on any frequency between 1 MHz and 6 GHz. Defense researchers use it to simulate radio security environments and identify weaknesses before adversaries exploit them. RF engineers use it for spectrum analysis on broadcast networks. But that same frequency range also means someone with bad intentions can intercept and replay wireless signals in ways most people never think to protect against. Number 4. Wi-Fi Board. Flash it with open-source deother firmware and it disconnects every single device from any Wi-Fi network in range, instantly. No password required, no access needed. Network engineers use it to simulate denial-of-service conditions and stress-test enterprise routers before deployment. But this exact technology has shown up in incident reports at hotels, airports, and coffee shops where targeted disconnections were used to push users onto rogue networks. Amazon lists it under multiple innocent-sounding names. Some listings got pulled, others got quietly relisted. Number 5. Hardware Keylogger, USB. This one sits between your keyboard and the back of your computer. It records every keystroke on the machine with no software, no network connection, and no detectable footprint. Nothing on your screen changes. Nothing in your task manager moves. IT departments plant them during internal audits to demonstrate physical access vulnerabilities. Forensic investigators use them in authorized legal cases. But in 2022, several office keyloggers were found planted by people who had no business being near those desks. Number 6. USB Killer. This does not store files. It stores a charge. Plug it into any USB port, and within a second it releases a 200-volt surge directly into the host device. No recovery, no repair. In 2019, a student at the College of St. Rose used one to destroy 66 university computers and caused over $58,000 in damages. The device is still available on Amazon today. Third-party sellers, 0 restrictions. Number 7. Fake Smoke Alarm Nanny Cam. You have lived your entire life walking under smoke alarms. You have never once suspected one. That is the entire point of this device. It mounts to your ceiling exactly like a standard detector. It connects to your Wi-Fi. It streams live 1080p footage directly to your phone around the clock. Homeowners use them as a covert way to monitor babysitters and housekeepers. Hotels and rental properties have been caught with them in rooms. Listed since 2020 with 0 issues. Still shipping today. Number 8. Magnetic GPS Tracker. Magnetic backing. Stick it under any vehicle and it pings real-time GPS coordinates to an app every few seconds. Fleet managers track company vehicles with them. Parents use them to monitor teen drivers on their first solo trips. Licensed private investigators use them under court order. But in several US states, placing one on a vehicle without the owner's knowledge is a felony charge. Amazon has moved millions of units. Zero age verification. No consent prompt at checkout. Number 9. RF bug detector. This one is the opposite of everything else on this list. Point it at any room, and it lights up over every hidden wireless camera and microphone transmitting nearby. It catches signals from devices most people never think to look for. Privacy researchers have used them to expose covert recording setups in Airbnbs, dressing rooms, and office spaces. Security professionals carry them into every new environment they enter. This is one of the few gadgets on this list you should genuinely consider buying. Number 10. Thermal imaging smartphone attachment. Clip this to your phone and you can see heat signatures through walls, spot warm bodies in complete darkness, and locate electronic devices by the heat they emit. Firefighters use thermal cameras to find people trapped in burning buildings. Electricians use them to locate failing wiring before it becomes a fire hazard. Home inspectors use them to find energy leaks. But the same technology has been used to surveil targets through building walls without a single visible light source. Number 11. Proxmark 3 RFID Researcher. A professional RFID cloning and analysis tool. Reads, writes, and duplicates access cards in seconds. Locksmiths and access control engineers use it to audit building security. Flagged by border control in at least 3 countries. Still listed on Amazon. Third party. No ID check. The reviews tell a story all on their own. Number 12. AI Real-Time Voice Changer. This device transforms your voice into a completely different person during live calls with zero latency. Voice actors and content creators use it. Cybersecurity researchers test audio deepfake pipelines with it. But federal consumer fraud cases have named real-time voice changers as tools used by scammers. Number 13. Stun gun phone case. An 800,000-volt stun gun built directly into a phone case. Fully functional as a case. Fully functional as a weapon. Self-defense advocates argue it is the most practical personal protection device ever made. It is also banned in at least 12 US states. Amazon flagged the listing twice. Both times it got quietly relisted under slightly different product names. Number 14. Spy Pen Camera. Records 1080p video while you write with it in a meeting. Crisp footage. No indicator light. Nobody suspects a pen. Journalists use them to gather evidence. Legal professionals have used them in depositions. Illegal to use without consent in 12 US states. Still on Amazon. Prime delivery. The reviews will absolutely shock you. Number 15. High-powered laser pointer. These ship from overseas third-party sellers with output power that blows past US legal limits by a wide margin. Strong enough to damage aircraft sensors and cause permanent eye damage at 100 meters. The FAA has tracked incidents involving these devices near flight paths for years. Seizures happen regularly at customs, and yet the relisted versions keep appearing under innocent product descriptions within weeks. Number 16. Professional lockpick set. A complete set of locksmith tools. Tension wrenches, short hooks, rakes, and a full guide. No license required to purchase in most US states. Locksport hobbyists have entire Reddit communities around competitive lockpicking as a skill sport. Legitimate locksmiths use these daily. But in the UK and several US states, carrying these in public with no plausible professional reason is a criminal offense. Number 17. Laser microphone kit. Aimed at a window from hundreds of feet away, this device picks up micro vibrations in the glass caused by sound inside the room and converts them back to audible speech. Law enforcement agencies have used variants of this technology for decades under warrant. It is listed today. No documentation required. Number 18. Power bank hidden camera. Functions exactly as a normal 20,000 mAh power bank. Charges your devices. Records 1080p footage with night vision the entire time. Nobody questions a power bank sitting on a conference table. Nobody looks twice at one on a hotel nightstand. This exact device appeared in corporate espionage cases in both 2022 and 2023. Number 19. Portable spectrum analyzer. Maps and identifies every wireless signal broadcasting in any environment. RF engineers use it for legitimate network diagnostics and broadcast auditing. Security teams use it for corporate facility sweeps. But the same device, operated from a parking lot, can identify and map every smart device communicating inside a building, including the patterns and schedules of those transmissions. Number 20. Bump key set. Specially cut keys that open standard pin tumbler locks through percussive force. Locksmiths have carried them for decades as a professional last resort. Amazon sells full sets with zero-age verification, shipped in packaging that describes them as home security products. The irony of that label never gets old. Number 21. Mini 4G body camera. Streams live video over a cellular network to any location on Earth. No Wi-Fi, no local storage, no detectable radio frequency burst because it uses a standard 4G signal identical to your phone. Investigative journalists use them in field reporting. Security professionals use them in access audits. Number 22. AI Deepfake Face Swap Controller. It processes the swap in milliseconds. VTubers and streamers use it for avatar replacement. But this is the same pipeline behind romance scams that the FTC reported stole over $1.3 billion from Americans in 2023 alone. Number 23. Infrared Camera Filter. Attach this to your smartphone camera. Under specific lighting conditions, it sees through thin fabric. Consumer privacy law in the US does not explicitly ban owning the filter. It bans the act of using it to violate someone's privacy. Amazon sells the filter, ships in 2 days. Number 24. Sonic Deterrent Device. Emits a directional high-decibel sound above the human pain threshold from a distance. Marketed as a dog repellent and property deterrent. Military-grade scaled versions of this exact technology have been deployed at public demonstrations by law enforcement. Human rights organizations have flagged those deployments. The consumer version is listed on Amazon today with a Prime badge and 5-star reviews. Number 25. Faraday Bag. Blocks all wireless signals to any device placed inside, including GPS, cellular, Bluetooth, and NFC. The legitimate use is protecting your passport or phone from remote exploitation, and that use is entirely valid. Sold openly, no restriction, no disclosure at checkout. Number 26. Raspberry Pi 5. A $60 credit card-sized computer capable of running full network scanning suites, penetration testing platforms, and packet interception tools. Developers and students use it to learn programming, electronics, and robotics. Schools run entire coding curricula on them, but this device has appeared as evidence in corporate hacking cases, often enough that some cybersecurity firms now physically scan building infrastructure for them during security audits. Number 27. GSR Biofeedback Lie Detector. Measures galvanic skin response and flags stress indicators in real time. Marketed as a biofeedback wellness tool for anxiety management. Courts reject its output as evidence. But employers in multiple documented cases have used consumer versions in so-called voluntary employee evaluations. Listed since 2021. Number 28. Directional Microphone Long-Range Parabolic. Picks up and amplifies audio from over 300 feet away. Birdwatchers use them to capture wildlife sounds without disturbing animals. Sports broadcasters use them on sidelines during live games. And wildlife documentary crews rely on them in the field. But this same device pointed at a window or a park bench captures private conversations from a distance no one inside that conversation can reasonably detect or defend against. If this list woke something up in you, subscribe right now because we cover the gadgets, the tech, and the stories that most channels never touch. Share this video with someone who needs to know the next level of tech. See you in the next one.